Hi everyone, my name is Ruchi Chadda from Neelkanth Hospital's Private Limited. I'm a life coach who's going to tell you the importance of exercise, yoga and meditation during menopause. Now exercise helps you to relieve stress and improve your quality of life. It helps to stave off excessive muscle gain and loss of muscle mass, which are the main symptoms in menopause. The basic yoga practices really help you to navigate through the period of menopause when you are having your symptoms very smoothly. They keep your mood elevated, you are always cheerful, and you always have a very positive high prana. This way, you get strength to pass through that period where symptoms for an ordinary person would be unbearable. The basic yoga session for menopause includes Kapalbhati, Tadasana, Hast Padma, Trikonasana, Padmasana, alternate nostril breathing. Meditation can help shift your perspective, improve your sleep cycle, and it also reduces your stress and anxiety levels.